Welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you a free AI image creator that will blow your mind. It's called the Image Creator from Microsoft Bing, and I think it's even better than Midjourney. So let's look at it. To get started, first open the Image Creator from Microsoft Bing in your browser. Once you are in, you need to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one or log in with your existing email. Just click on Join and create and follow the registration instructions. After you register or log in, the Bing Image Creator homepage will open. The first thing you'll notice is that it's much simpler, and we don't have to scroll through the chat until you find our created image. But let's see what the images that will be generated by Bing Image Creator look like. Let's try it with a short text. After we've written down the idea we want to turn into a picture, just press the button to create. And the image generation will begin. In a few seconds, 4 images will be ready. Here are the pictures at our request, which I think look amazing. Just click on the picture you like the most. And you'll see options where you can share, save or download it. And something I noticed is that it also has a higher resolution than the Midjourney images. The resolution is 1024 x 1024. But let's try to generate more detailed images. For that, I'll generate a prompt using ChatGPT. And there you have it, a more detailed image that looks stunning. So, what's your opinion about the images generated by Bing Image Creator? I await your opinion in the comments. Also, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this.